Ever spilled coffee on your favorite work shirt right before a big presentation? Or maybe your restaurant tablecloths take a beating every night. We've all been there, those moments where keeping your business looking its best feels like an uphill battle. That's where laundry comes in. It might seem like a mundane chore, but for businesses of all sizes, clean uniforms, tablecloths, and linens are an essential part of projecting a professional image. But with so many laundry detergents on the market, is there really one specifically designed for the unique needs of businesses? Let's face it, your average family laundry detergent might not be up to the heavy-duty cleaning power businesses require. Think about it, restaurant linens deal with constant spills and food stains, while uniforms from mechanics to healthcare workers encounter dirt, grease, and even bodily fluids. The laundry needs of a business are simply more demanding. So, is Tide only for business? The short answer is no. Tide offers a variety of detergents for both home and professional use. However, Tide recognizes the specific challenges businesses face, which is why they developed a line of products specifically formulated for commercial laundry. Here's where things get interesting. There are several key differences between Tide for home and Tide for business. First, let's talk about cleaning power. Tide for business detergents often contain more concentrated cleaning agents, designed to tackle the tougher stains and soils that come with daily business operations. Think of it as a superhero for laundry, ready to conquer the toughest messes. Second, Tide for business products are formulated to withstand the higher temperatures and longer wash cycles often used in commercial laundry settings. These heavy-duty cycles are essential for ensuring a truly deep clean, especially for heavily soiled items. Regular detergents might not hold up to these harsher conditions, potentially leading to less effective cleaning or even damage to fabrics. Third, Tide for business products often come in larger sizes, catering to the higher volume of laundry businesses typically generate. Imagine the frustration of constantly running out of detergent when you have a busy restaurant or hotel to manage. Bulk packaging saves time, money, and ensures you have a steady supply on hand. Now, let's talk about some specific types of Tide for business products. One popular option is Tide Hygienic Clean Professional. This detergent is perfect for healthcare facilities, restaurants, or any business where cleanliness is paramount. It's formulated to kill 99.9% of certain bacteria, providing an extra layer of protection against germs. Another great option is Tide Plus Bleach Alternative Professional. This detergent whitens and brightens whites and colors without the harsh chemicals found in traditional bleach. This is especially important for businesses that rely on crisp, white linens for a professional presentation. Of course, choosing the right Tide for business product depends on your specific needs. Are you a restaurant owner battling greasy stains? A mechanic dealing with oil and grime? Tide offers a variety of formulas tailored to address different types of soils and challenges. But the benefits of Tide for business go beyond just cleaning power. Here are a few additional reasons why businesses might choose Tide. Reduced wear and tear. Tide for business products are designed to be gentle on fabrics, extending the life of your uniforms and linens. This translates to significant cost savings over time as you won't need to replace items as frequently. Improved appearance. Clean, crisp linens and uniforms not only project a professional image but can also boost customer confidence. Customers are more likely to return to a business that looks clean and well-maintained. Increased efficiency. Tide for business products are designed for faster wash cycles, which can help save time and money on utility bills. Every minute saved in the laundry room translates to increased efficiency for your business. So, while Tide offers fantastic detergents for home use, Tide for business provides a powerful cleaning solution specifically designed to meet the unique needs of businesses of all sizes. From restaurants and hotels to healthcare facilities and construction companies, Tide for business has the cleaning power you need to keep your operation running smoothly and looking its best. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.